just want to tell you about the Knowledgenic. This is a really very good institute for the testing course. After a long year of gap in my career, Knowledgenic helped me a lot in move ahead in my career. And the mentors and the training members, they are very good, and they are available for 24/7 hours to solve our queries. So really, I am really thankful to the Knowledgenic to move ahead in my life and in the career. I am really thankful. If you want to do something good in testing field, you just join the Knowledgenic.